Hello everyone, my name is Sandeep, and as you all know, here I'm share about how we can customize Shopify theme and create new one. So far we have completed our theme, so now we are working some extra functionalities and requests coming from in comments. So last time we have created quick view product. This time I receive a request for upselling. So someone asked me to how we can add upselling options in our product. So today we are going to work on that one. So before any delay, let's start working on that. Let me open first my store in browser. So what I'm going to show over here, I already created some meta fields for this one. Let me show you first in settings. Here you can see we have upselling option, and in this upselling option I select product variants and then choose the list of product variants, so we can add multiple products in one meta list. So let's me show this one over here also. Here you can see I can select multiple, so right now we can remove this one and add new one. So like I want to show option with this one, like we have 3 options in our upsell. So I'm going to save this one. Next thing, we have to move to our code first, but before that I'm going to copy my meta fields namespace and key. And now let's move to our VS Code. So I'm going to open my Shopify theme first. In dev. Meanwhile it's opening, I'm going to open product template, and in product template let's find our submit button. Okay, so this is our submit button. Over here I'm going to add like a table first, but before let's see if our meta fields is filled or not. For that let's say if product dot meta fields dot, this is that's our namespace and that's our key, not equal to blank, and then and if in and if let's assign this one to a variable. Let's say assign upsell with as equal to same value of our meta field, and after that value. Next thing I am going to do, I am going to start a table. Let's say table with upsell table, and in this let's create group. So table body, and in this table body there will be tr, and in this tr we will have 3 td, and in header we will have table head, and in table head we will have tr, and in tr we will have td2. So now we got our structure. First thing I want to do is I'm going to use image for 2 calls. For that, let's say call span equal to 2. What this will do, this is going to cover this, and this one will be for this one, the last one. Okay, then let's say this one image, and this will be info, and over here we are going to loop through with over every upsell. For that, let's say for upsell in upsell, and then we will have and for so what I am going to do, I am going to add class here first, because we are going to deal with our available. If the product is available, then we are going to add this one, otherwise we will know. So for that, let's say unless upsell dot available in that case, first let's close this one, and unless, in that case we want to add a class called disabled product, and then in first tr we are going to have input will be checkbox, and id will be input underscore upsell dot id, and same go with help value. id will be upsell id, and after that I am going to copy this one and paste here. So here I am going to say if not available, we want to disable this input, and let's say label In level this will be a 4, so 4 will be same of our ID of upsell. So let's say 4 equal to the upsell ID, and then we will have class for this one. For class, let's say checkbox label, and then we will have for this one, let's say this is for image of our upsell. So let's say if upsell dot featured image dot src. I am going to copy this one because we are going to use in next line. Not equal to blank, then we will have else, and if also. Let's say over here upsell featured image, then image URL, width will be 150, same with height, then we will have image tag, and then class. For class, we are going to say upsell image, same with, if we have nothing, then I'm going to show is product -1 with placeholder svg, and the class will be same for this one also. This will be upsell image, which is this one. So it's like if we have image of our variant, then this one will come up, otherwise we will show placeholder image. So next thing is I'm going to copy this label and paste here. I'm going to remove this one, and first thing I want to show is span. In span, I want to show the title of product. Let's say upsell dot title and price. This will be small. So let's check this one in our product catalog. Then let's go to our product, which is this one. So we got our image information, then we got our everything except one thing. It's not showing anything. Okay, now we got our price also. It was over there, but it wasn't showing the right way. So next thing we have to do is we have to add some style. So for that, let's do it over here. First, regarding this one, let's say right now it's not is with full width. Let's say width 100%. So now it's covering everything. The next thing we have to do is TD. I'm going to copy this one because we are going to use this one multiple times. So let's say TH, padding will be 0.5 em. So we got some space. And then next thing is for difference of our every, like right now it's showing so much space, so let's different out. And TD. For that, let's say we want to show the border line over here. For that, let's say border 1 pixel solid. This should be top and current. Right now it's not showing so much. Let's make this on 2. And then next thing is I want to show the check mark, square box for check this one. Let's say this one. For this one, let's say position relative, and for the next thing is before. For this one, let's say border 2 pixel solid with current color, and content will be nothing. And the next thing is display inline, block, height will be 0.5 em, vertical alignment will be middle, same will width 0.5 em. So this will show this perfect square. Okay, then let's make this one little bit bigger. For that, let's say over here font size is 12 pixel. I think that's enough. Next thing, we are going to work on this field part. So right now, if I'm going to click this one, this is not showing anything. To show that one, let's say I'm going to copy this one first, input checked plus, then our label, and this should be background, color will be current color. So if I'm going to click this one, this is going to fill out. And next thing is I want to do same for this disabled one, this one. Let's say this one also will be filled. For this one, let's say opacity will be 0.75. If there is any disabled product, and span also will be small, and this will be text decoration line through. And next thing what we have over here, this is the remain. So for that, let's say where is it over here, let's say upsell, not here, the above. Upsell table, in that span will be display block, Let's try this one. Table layout auto fixed. Let's keep this one here right now. So that's all for this one. Let me copy everything from here and paste. Where is our smile style? This is JavaScript. Yeah, over here. So let's paste this one over here. Then remove this extra space. Not this one. And move everything, just a style thing. So now it's added. In the next thing, we are going to work on JS part of this one, because if we are going to add to cart this one, this is not going to work. So we have to work on that part also, because we want to add these products in cart also if they are checked. So that's all for today. See you in next video. Till then, keep coding, be awesome.